I do a lot of gardening, and I have been using not one seeding mat, but two for years now.
So, needless to say, I kind of enjoy gardening, especially growing plants from seeds, as you can see. And I looked back on my record on past purchases, and I see that I bought these mats in 2014. So, every year since I have used these mats to help me grow different types of vegetable plants, but typically mainly I use it to grow pepper plants. While it is not impossible to grow peppers from seeds without a heating mat, it makes it a lot easier. If you go and do your research on anything you're growing, they'll tell you whether they recommend that you use a heating mat. So as far as the quality of these mats, like I said before, I bought them in 2014 and they work great, no problems at all. These mats are basically safe. I have never had a problem in all the years I've used them. However, make sure that you read the safety instructions from the manufacturer.
So these very same mats I bought years ago have continued to help me germinate more difficult seeds.